Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nufatin Syafiqah and I am from Group 5. Today we would like to present our group project. For the content, we will present to you introduction, project analysis, project result, discussion and also conclusion. For the introduction, the automated student assessments and performance management systems aim to streamline the grading project for teachers by automating the calculation of student grades, generating performance reports, and ensuring accuracy and also fairness in assessments. Next, for the project analysis, we will show you three types of it, which is specification requirements, analysis, and also designs. For the specification requirements, we have information management, data entry, grading calculation, analytic, and also report. For the information management, we will acquire simple information about your learners before their enrollment in any learning course. For the data entry, to enter scores for multiple subjects. For the grading calculation, each will have built-in features that allow it to produce grades and compute GPA and also CGPA. For the analytic, let the following assumption be taken concerning student grade level, average score, and score on each subject. And for the reporting, we will prepare the individual performance reports, overall performance reports, and also subject performance reports. And I will pass it to the next person.
Hello and Assalamualaikum, and Muhammad Izzat Azim. I'm from Group 5 and today I will present about system features. First, we have function. Function in the code are used to modularize different tasks. And number two, array. Array are used to store multiple related value such as subject names, credit hours, and student data. For the structure are used to group related data together. The student structure is defined to hold various attributes of a student. For a loop are used to extensively to operate over arrays and perform operation and on each element. For switch, the switch statement in the main function is used to handle different user menu options. So, for the analysis, we have input, output, and formula. The input is student class to store student information such as a number metric and number scores. For subject class to store subject in details. And this is our output. We have Nabila Husna as an example. And number metric AA23443. Program Diploma in Electrical Engineering, DAE, for year of student. And we have semester station, subject, credit hour, score, grade, and CGPA, electric wiring as a subject. Example, for grade point average CGPA is 4. So this is output for like a performance. So this is a performance class for overall. We have Haziq Hisham, Nabila Husna, and we have Azim, Ali Masara, and another. So for the last output, we conclude that the subject electric wiring for credit hour 2, we have a number student of 10. So we can see that every score has added down and high score and low score. For the last, the formula is grade numerical equivalent times credit by grade points. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Inil Farhan bin Kenalan. Number matrix AA230228. So I will present to you about our flowchart. So for the flowchart, we have done the flowchart from the coding that we have done. So for the first one, there are 5 options, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and Q. So if you choose the first option, it will show you overall performance report, and then it will go back to the 5 option. So next, if you choose the second option, it will ask you to enter matriculation number. and then the system will try to find if the matriculation number of the student exists or not in the record. If it is not exist, the system will show student with matriculation number not found. Try again. So you will be asked to enter matriculation number again. So if the student exists in the record, it will show individual performance report for the given student. So then it will go back to the 5 option. So for the third choice, if you choose the third choice, you will you will need to select another 7 option, which is subject. So then the system will try to find the subject if it is exists in the record or not. If the subject does not exist, it will show invalid subject choice. If it is exists, it will show subject performance report for the selected subject. Then it will go back to the 5 option. So for the fourth option, you will be asked to enter matriculation number. Then the system will try to find the student exists or not in the record. If the student does not exist, it will show student with matriculation number not found. So try again. If the student exists, it will enter course. You will be asked to enter coursework and final mark for each subject. So for the last option, which is Q, it will end the system, the programming. I will pass to the next person.
My name is Hazi. Today I will show about coding demonstration. There is 4 options: overall performance, student report, individual student report, subject performance report, and test score student. And if you put choice 1, this output will show up. If you put choice 2, we need to enter the matriculation number and the individual performance report will show up. If you put the choice 3, we need to choose 1 out of 7 subject. For example, I choose 3, and the subject for performance for engineering mathematics will show up. And 4, to enter the score for student, we need to key in the matrix number and enter the course marks and enter the final exam score for every subject. This is just for example. And if you want to quit, just enter Q and you are done.
So last but not least, it is our conclusion. So for our group project conclusion, the automated student assessment and performance management system easily addresses and fulfills entry of data, calculation of grades, as well as giving vital information and performance reports, thereby improving the organizational effectiveness, satisfaction for educators, and success for scholars. Thank you.